In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Dragon Age the Veilguard on your PC. So Dragon Age the Veilguard is an action role-playing video game developed by BioWare and published by Electronic Arts. The fourth major game in the Dragon Age franchise, the Veilguard is a sequel to Dragon Age Inquisition. So in order to download this game, first of all, you're going to open any browser in your system and then just type into the search box for Steam and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here welcome to Steam link at the top of this list. So you're going to click on this. Then you will be redirected to the Steam interface. If you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. So you're going to type in here the name of your game, which is Dragon Age. And as you can see here, you have your game visible over here, Dragon Age the Veilguard. So you're going to click on this. Then you will be redirected to the game page. In here, you're going to scroll down until you find this option, Add to Cart. As you can see here that you have different editions of this game. So you're going to click on Add to Cart on the version which you want to buy. Then you're going to click on View My Cart. And then you will be able to see here the amount which you will be paying for this game. Then you will be able to see here different payment methods, and you can just choose from any of these how you want to pay for your game. Just enter here all of your payment information, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be bought and added to your library, and from there you can just play your game.